Hello, today we're taking a look at Data Manager Pro Data Usage and Speed Management application. Now keep in mind there is a free and pro version. The pro data features things like custom counters, history graphs, and email your usage information at any time. However, this is all an application dealing with that of managing both your cellular, be it 4G, LTE, 3G, Edge, etc., and or Wi-Fi data usage in real time from your device. So the app will let you be in control of your data usage to avoid those overcosts, those overcharges, those costly bills from providers, all of that. So a couple of the features include monitoring mobile cellular data, viewing the amount of internet data you use over your Wi-Fi connection, simple and clear user interfaces. Again, it's taking all of that information that's hard to access and making it all easy in this nice little interface here. So you can see you can do things like adjust your quota. You can see you can set up a little plan here. So this is the first run. You can see you can set a weekly, monthly, or custom here for the billing days. So you can say the billing cycle, day of the month, whether it's the first, third, second, etc. So we'll go with the first. We'll say next, and it'll take us into the data quote for cellular. So you can say the data quota, or you can pick from the low conversions they have down below. So for example, 2 gigs is about 2048 megabytes, so on and so forth. If you have unlimited data, you can tap that. Let's say I had a 2 gig thing. I can put that as my quota there. Hit next, and then it's going to tell you to adjust your data usage. Now enter the amount of cellular data already being used for this billing period. You can check your cellular data by texting this certain number here, so you can enter it here. So let's just say I've already used, let's say, 500 megabytes so far. So I'll hit done. You can reset your data usage. I'll hit done, and you can see here it's going to chart it all out in a really nice and easy interface. You can see the Wi-Fi signal here, 98%. You can see the Wi-Fi. It shows the usage history. It'll show the signal here, and it shows, click on it to get anything regarding megabytes sent or received since boot, all of that. So it goes into the device, and I'll show you here. Since the device is rebooted, how long it's been up, since the last run. You can see any alerts, notifications, last used location. So keep in mind, if you're using this on your iPhone, in that case, that you would, anywhere you travel with that, it would be logging this certain data information and managing it easily all in this application. Now you can click on the speed test here. This is really great if you're in an area, whether you're home, in an office, or wherever it may be, and you want to know the speeds of your current location. You can simply hit begin test, and it's going to go ahead and get the ping first, and then it's going to go ahead and connect and find out megabits per second. Here you can see you can go in landscape or portrait here, and just a nice way to see if you're getting the connection that you're guaranteed by your provider, or if your connection is being throttled or anything of that sort. It's a great way just to see how your download and upload speeds are looking. So you can see in this case it took our upload, now it's doing the download step, and it looks like we're sitting right around 8 to 9 megabytes per second in terms of download speed. Once the download ends, it will log the information, and you can see there it shows the trace. It's going to go through do the trace hops now, and you can see overall my score here is about the ping 174 milliseconds there, and then it shows you your upload and download speed. And you can test it again in various locations, or maybe just to see where the best location in your house is Wi-Fi wise, where you get the highest upload and download. So it's a great way to do a lot of things, assessing it again with just your iOS device, and it's a really simple overall interface. Last but not least, here you have your about, where you can see using Data Manager. You can also select your speed server regarding if you want to select other servers in the area. So for example, it shows you which ones are the closest, or you can choose your own. You have settings to adjust here, so you can do things like data display units. You can change it for megabytes, so on and so forth. They also have things like background monitoring, Wi-Fi data settings that you can adjust. So again, a really great way to track your data usage with speed, and again with the speed test involved. Great way to see your usage history, whether using a phone or on Wi-Fi. See that you're getting the correct speeds. Monitor your usage to make sure you're not getting billed incorrectly or anything of that sort. And again, it works on any iOS device, be it an iPhone, an iPad, or an iPod Touch. This is Data Manager. You can find it in the App Store today.